Greeting you all the gamers out there who enjoys watching gaming content. Today with this video, I took my first step into the gaming community of YouTube. So the content of my channel will include amazing movement of Clash Royale, Clash of Clans, PUBG, Free Fire, Adbot Pool and Carom Pool. It will also include all the tips and tricks required to improve your gaming skills. I will try my best to keep you update on the latest mobile available in the market that fit our gaming requirements. If you have any exciting moment that you would like to share with everyone, then share it through the Google Drive link given in description. It would give me great pleasure if you support me in this entertaining journey by sharing link and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and keep gaming.